Today I'm going to be recovering this Land Rover dash. It's two parts, so there's one part here and then there's the bigger part. So this is the bottom of the dash and this is the top. So first thing I need to do is to remove this old vinyl from the dash. As you can see, it's not in great condition. Start with this piece first, with the smaller piece, and then move on to the bigger piece. A little bit of heat might help with this, but I don't know. We'll have to see. So I need to remove all these little metal fixings. A bit of a pain. They're on pretty good, these. So that's them off. Start peeling this back now. Don't expect this to come off in one piece. I'll probably end up cracking quite a lot. I think heat, yep, it will help. Perfect. I've applied just a little bit too much heat to that bit. Let it cool down a touch. So that wasn't as bad as I thought it might be. There's a few little pieces that will need attention. I'll fill these bits in. Other than that, that wasn't too bad. So I've removed all the vinyl from both these pieces. There's a few little issues I have now with the foam underneath. This one is quite rough in places. It's got bits missing. This bit here's a little bit missing as well, little chunks. I'm just going to fill these with a leather filler and sand them down, get them as smooth as I can, because things like this will show through on the leather. And then on this one, where I've got these pieces that are missing here, I'll just cut these away and make the edges smooth. I'll get rid of all this here. I don't actually need that. So yeah, I just need to sort out both of these and then I can get on to wrapping them with leather. get rid of all this old glue and clean it up a bit. So the dash has been prepared and it's ready to now be wrapped in leather. But before we do that, I've noticed that you've not subscribed. So do me a favour and hit that subscribe button, please. Big thumbs up to you. Thanks a lot. So I'm just gonna place this on the leather just to make sure I've got enough. I'm just going to roughly draw around it. I'm going to give myself a little bit extra. So, have you subscribed yet? I hope you have. You better have. So I'm now ready to cut this out. I'm just going to tape this in place. I'm just going to start one end. I'm not going to glue the whole lot, I'm just going to glue a tiny bit. I've had the glue in some warm water. It just helps with the glue. Just going to do that middle bit that I've sprayed, working to this end. Just going to do the centre to probably here. And we'll start with this end, start to glue the ends.